We are pleased to show you the 2010 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, Sirius satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, power door locks, power windows. Come see the car for yourself.